So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick breakdown of how I created this cinematic documentary style thumbnail. Let's start. So I started with this image of Trump and removed the background using the selecting mask tool. For the background, I used a grunge style US flag with fire textures to create a more intense and dramatic mood. Next, I applied a camera raw filter to the main image. You can see all the settings I've tweaked here, mainly focusing on clarity and contrast. Using the brush tool, I painted a soft orange glow around the edges, then changed the blending mode to vivid light. I brought in this burning photo PNG, adjusted its perspective so it's pointed towards the main subject, and added a total of 4 burning photo PNGs. To add a symbolic touch, I used a red rope PNG and arranged it so that it looks like ropes are coming in from outside the frame. Some in front, some behind, connecting all the elements together. I added shadows behind each rope to create depth and make everything feel more realistic and integrated. I placed a fire PNG at the bottom third of the thumbnail to add more heat and visual weight, drawing attention towards the center. Once everything was placed, I pressed Ctrl Alt Shift A to merge all visible layers into a new one, then converted it to a smart object. That way we can always go back and edit if needed. I applied another camera raw filter to the final composition to tie everything together. This really helps in giving that proper finish. And that's how I designed this documentary thumbnail, from concept to execution. If you found this helpful, then drop a like and let me know what video you want next.